All spring events have been canceled for Special Olympics Colorado, and now the organization is working to keep everyone connected and healthy. Denver 7's Katie LaSalle sat down with the organization's CEO and found reaching those goals has been challenging and rewarding.
I'm so excited to be joined by Megan Scremin, the CEO of Special Olympics Colorado. Megan, first off, thank you so much for virtually chatting with us today.
Thank you for having me virtually.
Of course. So we know spring is a very busy time typically for Special Olympics. I'm sure there have been some major adjustments during this pandemic. What have you guys been doing to continue to move forward?
Yeah, absolutely. So we have suspended all of our training competition through May 31st. And for our athletes, being part of Special Olympics is really their main way to connect with others. And I think what so many of us are experiencing right now, this social isolation, sadly is what so many people with intellectual differences or disabilities face regularly. So it really showcases the importance of programs like Special Olympics. So as a result, we have gone virtual. We have made as many opportunities for our athletes to get involved as they can. So we've launched online sports-specific training, inviting athletes so they can continue practicing so that when we're ready to go, they too are ready to go. We've also launched a Fit 5 or 6-week challenge where we're challenging both our athletes and the community at large to enjoy 5 servings of fruits and vegetables a day, 5 glasses of water, and to exercise 5 days a week. So we've got a community on Facebook of about 450 people, so we encourage everybody to join us as well.
That's amazing. So many great ways to stay healthy during this tough time. And we know that you've had to cancel practices, competitions, like you just mentioned, but you've also had to cancel some health screenings for many patients. Will you tell us about that?
Yeah, absolutely. So sadly, people with intellectual differences are 16 years, they die 16 years earlier than people without. And it's not because they have an intellectual disability. It's due to a lack of basic access to healthcare. And so what we do is we host health screenings at our competitions. And unfortunately, through May 31st and Summer Games, we've had to postpone those. So we are working on finding other ways to provide both health resources for our athletes online and then to postpone all of our health screenings. And those screenings take place in areas like vision, dentistry, audiology, and they're really impactful for the athletes. And not only for those athletes, but for the healthcare providers who are getting the opportunity to learn about the needs of people with intellectual differences as well as work with them.
Wow. It's good that you're kind of adjusting to how things are going, though, at least. And we know we love the polar plunge here at Denver 7 in particular. I've done it before. It's really cold. But you have so many fundraising activities like that throughout the year. What are you doing to keep Special Olympics just kind of on the top of people's minds right now?
Absolutely. So in addition to the virtual resources that we've provided, we're hosting a lot of events. Like we've launched a virtual pen pal opportunity for people to engage one-on-one with our athletes. We're on doing Facebook Live events every week so that we can share updates with our community as well as share about the programs that we offer. And then at the end of April, to cap off our 6-week Fit 5 challenge, we've started a Better Together virtual walk. Although we're saying it's a walk, you're welcome to run, rollerblade, bike, whatever movement gets you excited. So for 60 minutes, and people can go online to our website, specialolympicsco.org, and register. It's a suggested donation of $15, but really we encourage everyone to join us for that 1 hour. And then we'll have a playlist provided with music that our athletes have selected, as well as inspiring messages from our athletes. So I encourage everybody to join us.
Megan, thank you so much for the update, all you do for the community, our Special Olympic athletes, their families, and thanks for giving us just an update on how you're doing during all of this. We really appreciate it.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
And here is more information on that virtual run Megan was talking about. The opening ceremony will be on Facebook a week from Saturday, April 25th, but you can do your 60 minutes of physical activity anytime. Head over to specialolympicsco.org to sign up.